My name's Hayden White with AG & Johnson Realty and Auction. Today, we're going to show you 6075 Sparta Pike in Watertown, Tennessee. You've got a custom stone home with 3,800 square feet on 81.79 acres. You've got pool, you've got a barn, and you've got plenty of space to roam. Come check it out. Y'all come on inside and enjoy this home. Welcome to the kitchen area. You've got a long counter space, plenty for your buffet for the family if you want to have them over for Thanksgiving or Christmas, Easter, whatever you please. The custom cabinets have C-star knobs. You have your own private little liquor cabinet / refrigerator, whatever you want to use it for. Another little spacious cabinetry all the way around. A copper farmhouse sink, stainless steel appliances with a wine cabinet right above. Plenty of room for space and everyone else. This is a kitchen you want to have. The master bedroom includes a master bath with double vanity sinks, a walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. Now that you've seen the main floor, let's check out upstairs and what it has to offer. Upstairs, you have an additional living room with a custom fan, lights. You also get to enjoy 2 more bedrooms with a bathroom with a double vanity and a walk-in shower. Check it out. The 81.79 acres also includes several outbuildings, which include an RV / camper shed with horse stalls and a workshop, a pole barn, a hay barn, a horse riding arena, cattle guards, a pond, 30 acres of woodland with plenty of pasture for livestock. This property also offers views galore. Thank y'all for visiting the C-Star Ranch. My name's Hayden White, and I'm always on site. Call me for all your real estate and auction needs.